Hey Keto people, I am coming to you today live from the very dreary, very rainy Pacific Northwest. As you can see, my kitchen is quite dark, and that's what happens here when it's raining in the afternoon. It's the kind of day that makes you want to curl up in your favorite sweater with a good book and a hot drink. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make one of the best keto hot drinks. Super warm and comforting, salted caramel hot chocolate. So behind me on the stove, you can see that I have some hot milk going. Now, you can really use any keto milk you like best. I have used a combination of hemp milk, which I used about half a cup, and then I added 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream to give it a little more creaminess. And I'm also using my blender because this is the best way to get all the ingredients to blend in and be nice and frothy. So of course, it's hot chocolate or hot cocoa. So I'm using a tablespoon of cocoa powder. And now I'm going to add my secret ingredient, which is the Perfect Keto Salted Caramel Collagen. This stuff is amazing and I use it in my coffee almost every day. But today I'm going to add it to my hot chocolate. I put in about a tablespoon. I think a serving is actually 2 tablespoons, but I like about a tablespoon, and I add it right in there. So if you're thinking to yourself, you know what, I already own too many keto products. I'm not about to buy another one just to make a cup of hot chocolate. I totally get it. If you want, you can just use 1 tablespoon of regular collagen, and then you can add in just a little bit of caramel extract. About a 1/4 teaspoon until you see how it tastes, maybe half a teaspoon if you want the flavor stronger. Because this collagen is already sweetened, I'm not going to sweeten my hot chocolate until I taste it at the end. However, if you're using regular collagen and caramel extract, I recommend using about 1 tablespoon of powdered swerve sweetener. So now we're ready to add the hot milk. It's been bubbling away over here. I like to get it pretty hot because it cools down a little when you blend it. And we can just pour that right in. And of course you want to put the top on your blender. And I always recommend when you're working with hot ingredients, covering it all with a tea towel, just in case things splash up through. Now I'm going to taste it and see if I want it a little sweeter. I think it needs a tiny bit, so I'm just going to add about half of this amount of the powdered swerve and blend it up again. So it's incredibly frothy and delicious, and I'm just going to pour it into my mug. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, rich, and if you really want to take it over the top, or what I like to call gilding the lily, you're going to put some delicious, lightly sweetened whipped cream on top. Now this is what I call keto comfort food. Rich and chocolatey with a delicious hint of salted caramel. For this easy keto recipe and so many more, check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.